Hey, welcome everybody. We're going to show you in this video how to replace a single spring replacement on a garage door. Caution is needed as always. Please do your own research. Here's a list of tools that are needed along with 9/16 wrenches, a 7/16 socket, and a pair of vice grips. A can of spray lube is always helpful to help the torsion tube slide and the parts to come off. You also need some 1/2-inch OD winding bars, 15 to 18 inches long. It's recommended to disengage your garage door opener before installing a new spring. This project should only be attempted if you're very handy and good at following directions. Now let's get into the tutorial. When the spring is broken, the cables on either side will be loose. You can take the cable off of the drum. I like to set it through this little triangle in the track, allow it to hang down. Then you're going to loosen the 2 set screws on the cable drum and slide the drum inward, just like so. I like to move from left to right. Let's go ahead and loosen the spring from the center bearing plate. These are 9/16 nuts and bolts. You may have to use 2 of them if they're on there really tight, 2 wrenches to get it loose. Go ahead and slide the spring over like shown, and then loosen the spring cone with your 7/16 12-point socket, and you're going to slide both pieces of the spring to the right. This just allows you room to be able to slide the big torsion tube to create the space that you need. Okay, same thing as on the left side. You're going to remove the cable, put it through the little triangle, get it out of the way, and then loosen the cable drums. And slide them to the left. And here you can slide the torsion tube out. If you have any trouble doing that, sometimes you have to tap on the opposite bearing plate, and that allows it to slide easier. So the spring comes right off. Sometimes you have to bend the spring just a tad. And now we're going to get ready to put the new spring back on. The end of the spring is the tightest spot for the tube to come on through. So sometimes you have to wiggle it to get it to come through the cone. The cable drums are color-coded just like the spring is. The black would indicate that it goes on the right side of the garage door. Insert your drum and then go ahead and slide that torsion tube back on over. And you can see when the drum goes all the way to the plate, there is no gap. Now we're going to fasten the torsion spring to the center bearing plate using the 2 bolts with the 9/16. This is sped up, so you don't have to watch me do it in real time. All right. Moving to the left side, slide the drum all the way to the plate. All the way. There's no gap. Should be touching. Then go ahead and tighten your set screws. I like to do this first and then set the cables. So the cable goes behind the torsion tube, between the tube and the wall. You're going to find the notch in the drum and set the cable into the slot. It should pull tight, and make sure that the cable goes in that first notch. And as you turn it, it'll tighten right in. So essentially, I'm doing this with one hand, but you're going to pull down with your right hand on that cable drum and hold the cable tight, and then put that vice grip against the wall. You're going to have your cable will be somewhat tight. It's not under the tension of the spring yet, but it's tight. Okay, and then do the other side. Make sure the cable goes between the wall and the torsion tube. Insert it into the slot. And same thing, you're going to reel that towards you until the cable tightens. You're going to hold that while tightening your screws. Of course, I couldn't do that with one hand, but I think you get the idea. Now it's time to wind the spring. You're starting at 0, And that's a 1 full turn, which would be 4 quarter turns. And that's 2 full turns, which would be 8 quarter turns. You can do just 1 full turn by hand if you like. So that would be 9 quarter turns, 10 quarter turns, 11 quarter turns, 12. Make sure your winding bars go all the way in to the holes so it does not slip. Try not to be distracted. Don't have your kids underneath you. You just need to make sure you have a good count and you're paying attention to what you're doing. I did 30 quarter turns here. Go ahead and tighten the set screws by hand and then use your socket. Whenever you're tightening these set screws, you're going to tighten it till it touches the tube and about an additional quarter to a half turn additional after that. Okay, to get your bar out, you have to lift up slightly, just about a millimeter. So congratulations on your first spring replacement. Last thing to do would be to take the vice grip off. Your cables are now under full tension, ready to lift the door. Now you can re-engage your garage door opener. And I like to test the door by hand first. I went ahead and did that. I couldn't film it while I was doing that. But when you test the door by hand, you want to make sure that the bottom of the door stays open at the opening height without falling down. If it comes down a few inches, you might want to add another quarter turn. Otherwise, if it goes up and down smoothly, then you're in good shape. All right, I'd like to thank you all for watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.